Hello student, in this video I am going to start the explanation of classification of stamens. Okay, so filaments are attached in different manners with the anther and accordingly they are classified into basifixed. Okay, next one adennate. Okay, dorsifixed, and then last one is versatile. Okay, so student, in basifixed, okay, in basifixed stamen, this one is anther, okay, and this one is filament. Okay, so in basifixed stamen, the filament is attached to the base of the anther. Okay, it is present at the base of the anther. Now next one is in adennate. Okay, in adennate, the filament, okay, green color is showing the filament. This filament is extending throughout the length of the anther. Okay, it is present throughout the length of the anther in between the two lobes, all right. Now next one is, and you should also know their examples, like the basifixed is shown in mustard, in reddish. The adennate is, the example of adennate is magnolia. Okay, now next one is, so student, in dorsifixed, the filament is attached to the back of the anther. Example prunus, acacia. Okay, now next one is, so in versatile student, filament is attached to the back of the anther by a sharp point, leaving the anther free to swing. Like in this, the filament is also attached to the back, but they are closely packed, whereas in versatile, again the filament is attached to their back, but the anther lobes, they are swinging. Okay, example of this is grasses and paddy, etc. Okay, so student, the previous classification is based on the structure of filament and anther, how they are fusing with each other. Now the next category is divided into the next classification is based on the fusion of, okay, stamen as well as filament. Okay, so first one is polyandrous. Okay, so in this polyandrous, all filaments are free from each other and their anthers are also free. Okay, like this, so many filaments and anther are there and each and every one is free from each other. Next is monoadelphous, diadelphous and polyadelphous. So these adelphous forms, okay, in this form the filaments are fused into staminal tube. Okay, filaments are fused into the staminal tube, but their anthers are free. Okay, so when mono, what is the meaning of mono? Single. When all the filament are fused into single staminal tube and their anther are free from each other, this one is known as monoadelphous. Di matlab double, so in diadelphous case, okay, anthers are fused in two staminal tube, like this, okay, but their stamens are free from each other again. Okay, and then the polyadelphous form, the filaments of stamens unite to form more than two bundles. Okay, they form more than two bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like 4, and their anthers are free from each other. Their anther are free from each other. So this one is polyadelphous form. So it is very clear from here that in adelphous forms, stamens are free from each other, but The filaments are fused with each other to form a staminal tube. All right. And the last form is syngenesious. It is opposite to these adelphous form. Opposite, why? Because anthers are fused, means the anther are fused but their filaments are free from each other. Okay, so this one is syngenesious form. Example of syngenesious is sunflower. Okay, and what is the function of all the stamens? Anther produce pollen grains which contain male gamete. The filament attachment with anther is such that it helps in the pollination, means such kind of arrangement, and the previous arrangement like basifixed, adennate, dorsifixed and versatile, these all arrangement ultimately helps in the process of pollination. Okay.